Today, 5th October, Gala Coin Daily Combo at first click gameplay NFT. Now choose Miranda's and choose card. One card open. I will search second card. Search. I will go to Gala Future. I will search community bunting. I will select community betting and choose card. Now I will search third card. Choose Gala equipment and search Vision. Now I will select Vision and choose card. 3 card open. Now check card. Success.